Alright, what's going on, y'all? It's Rance Powers here. We're going to fix the bike chain. Ooh. You don't necessarily have to take the pegs off, but the chain is really loose, so I have to. There we go. Ooh, that does not sound good.
You seriously doing that?
Yeah. Ooh. Let's see if I can get this. Dang, you messed this back up.
Huh?
The chain was stuck in between the freaking...
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Thank you for paying for that.
Hey, Rach, think this will be a good suppressor?
No. Mine's a bit of a problem. The freaking bearing or whatever's not even tight. That's probably why. Chain keeps breaking.
What?
The bolts not even tight. Put this chain on.
Buy one of these airsoft guns. They're fun to play with.
See, that thing just popped right back on. Holy heck. Not when you guys do all this crap. I can't. Rollin, come here.
Yeah.
Come here. Come hold this peg.
Okay. Hold on.
Alright, pop the chain back on and everything.
There,
Well,
you
it-
open the thing?
No, I need you to hold this peg right here. Hold it. Turn that wheel, please. Thank you. Right there. Hold it in place. Twist to the left on that. I mean the right. Twist that way.
Make sure you push them back as far as you can. I'm pushing it
No, because then the wheel turns. Yeah, it should be good right there.
No.
Yeah, you're good. Right where I am. Alright, scoot this one up some.
Look at that. It's loose.
No, it's good. Okay.
Maybe.
Look, let me pull it back some.
Right there.
It's too tight. See?
It should be like right there.
Back some more. I can't find right in between that. Stop. Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah. That's very good. Tighten both.
Okay, please like and subscribe.